Christmas time is here, and I wanted to share with you how I use some things that I have made from the past as well as the present into our Christmas decor. I can't tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping by and supporting me here over this past year. I truly appreciate it. And I just wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I look forward to the new year. 2025 has been kind of an up and down year. It has been a little rough, but I did manage to get through it along with everybody else, I am sure. I'm truly looking forward to the new year, and I would love for you to stay tuned. I'm going to be showcasing some new content. I am really excited to share some new style content, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I would love for you just to sit back, relax, and enjoy what I have to share. truly blessed and honored that you are all willing to take time out of your day to join me here on YouTube to watch the creativity that I have to share. I absolutely love being creative. I truly find that it is a gift and a blessing that I am able to share it with all of you. So again, thank you so very, very much for watching here on my channel. Again, I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you are blessed by the true meaning of the Christmas season. We will see you in the new year. Take care. Bye.